2008 is the 4th International Polar Year. More than 60 countries and 39 international bodies give support by organizing different kinds of scientific expeditions at the poles. Among the 16 submitted actions by China, the exploration to the Arctic Ocean, or the Third Chinese Arctic Research Expedition, is one of the key initiatives. The Third Chinese Arctic Research Expedition team consists of 121 members, including 60 scientific researchers. 12 of them are scientists coming from the United States, France, Finland, Japan, Korea, and Russia. They work together to conduct a comprehensive and multidisciplinary study of the Arctic Ocean. China's icebreaker, Shelong, launched a 75-day expedition on the 11th of July 2008. Sailing from Shanghai to the Bering Sea through the Sea of Japan. The Bering Sea, Chukchi Sea units, and Canada Basin are strategic points of scientific research for this expedition. We will visit as many as 140 ice camps during the voyage. The icebreaker will stop at each camp so that scientists will have sufficient time to collect samples for studies. The Arctic is the most sensitive and responsive area to global climate changes. In the past 2 to 3 decades, the temperature increase of the Arctic caused by global warming was much faster than that in any other places on Earth. The substantial reduction of sea ice coverage in the Arctic Ocean and changed circulation of oceanic currents have drawn major concerns all over the world. These changes have not only caused abnormal weather in the Arctic region, but also led to global climate changes. The 4 major objectives of this expedition are: firstly, to understand climate changes in the Arctic and their impacts on the climate of China. Secondly, to explore the circulation of the Arctic Ocean currents and the effects on ecology and climate. Thirdly, to learn about the ancient oceanic evolution of the Arctic Ocean and its adjacent areas during the Quaternary period, so as to understand the major geological events occurred there. And, fourthly, to launch researches on diversity of microorganisms and genes in the depth of the Arctic Ocean, as well as the evolutionary changes in biodiversity and the relationship with changes in the oceanic environment in the context of geological eras. Besides, the strategic project of international collaboration for this expedition is the largest scheme of the same kind funded by the European Union, called Damocles, Developing Arctic Modeling and Observing Capabilities for Long-Term Environment Studies. The research is emphasized on the melting of sea ice and its impacts on environment and human activities. The research findings will provide basis for all governments in formulating environmental protection policies. Although the Arctic is a distant place, her fate is interwoven to that of all mankind, and no one can pretend to be blind to it.